Hi everyone, today I will teach you how to create an execution button in Microsoft Excel. First, you go to the Developer tab and insert button. So once ready, you just double click it and a console will appear. For today's tutorial, we would like to execute the button to state hello world in cell B2. So for us to input value into B2, we need to select range. What is range? Range is a representation of a cell on your worksheet. So for cell B2, just click range B2 and what's the value of it? Value equal to hello world. Once ready, you can just close the console and remember to deselect design mode for the button to be executable, and voila, you have hello world. Remember when I say range is a representation of a cell, therefore you can play around with the coding. For example, for this scenario, the moment I click the total sales button, it will calculate the total sales value for Q4 2019 of this company. And you will notice from my formula row where I'm using SUMIF function. So feel free to play around with the value you can put inside it, and there's actually a much more complicated code to do it, but that will be I will leave it to the another video. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and if you have any problem, please stay in the comment or email us. Thank you.